My channel. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video I'm going to share you how you can encrypt your Mac devices through Microsoft Intune policy. So if you are managing Mac machine through Microsoft Intune, you must watch this video till the end, right? So as you can see here, this is Microsoft Intune Admin Center. If you go to here, since we are talking about Mac, so you must have all these policies here, right? But here you will not get the any encryption policy, right? So if you try to create any policies from here, right, and if you select any templates or here, you see the endpoint protection is deprecated here, right? Like if you see here, endpoint protection control setting on Mac OS such as firewall, 2 encryption, gatekeeper and firewall, it is deprecated from here. So from where you can create this profile to encrypt you if you want to encrypt your Mac devices, right? So you have to go to the endpoint security and go to the encryption. Since we are, and this encryption is required, right? So if you want to protect your company data, you make sure that you encrypt the entire Mac operating system, right? So that your data will be, in case if devices has been lost, yeah, the data should be encrypted, right? So no one can decrypt. So here you have to create a new policies and you select this encryption is for Windows and Mac, since we are talking about Mac OS, and you see Mac OS file vault, right? So this file vault provides built-in full disk encryption for Mac OS devices, right? So we are using the built-in full disk encryption, right? So if you have a Mac or if you are managing Mac, you must be heard about the file vault, right, which is actually inbuilt full description for the Mac devices. Create, and we'll say Mac disk encryption policy, right? You can give any name, whatever you want. I'm just giving name here, and you see full description encryption. So here we have to configure the payload, right, to manage the file vault full description setting to your devices. So you want to defer that policy, right? No, I don't want to defer. Defer, don't ask at the user logout. So what does mean? You can, if you just hover, if true, prevent, if it's true, right, if you enable this one, and which will prevent requests from enabling file vault at a user logout time. So I'm not going to do. As per your choice, you can configure. You can defer force at user login. No. You want to enable this one? Yes. Enable means what? If it's true, it will enable the file vault. Recovery key rotation. So when you want to recover the key, right, I want to recover every 1 month. Use recovery key. Yes. Use recovery key means what? It will create a personal recovery key and display it to the users, right? And here you have to configure the file vault recovery screw payload to customize file vault recovery key. So you have to give the location, right? So this locations where the recovery key will be stored, and this text will be inserted into the message the user see when enabling the file vault. Click next. I don't have the scope. Select the scope, and you can apply to all Mac users or all devices, and you can exclude as per your choice as well if you don't want to encrypt all your Mac, right? So this is how you can create a policy and deploy to your Mac machine, and your devices will get encrypted, right? Similar way you can do for Windows as well, but let's not talk about Windows. So, and rest of though, if you want to monitor it, right, you can monitor the device encryption status here as well, right? So this is sweet, right? This is it. Which you, if you want to create, some people has asked how to encrypt the Mac, how to create the policy for Mac devices. try this and see and secure your Mac operating system through Microsoft Intune. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.